Hello, my name's Angela McCornick. I'm a socialist, anti-war activist and trade unionist. I'm an executive member of Scottish CND, Campaign for Nuclear Disarmament. In October 2014, there'll be a referendum in Scotland on independence. People will be asked to vote yes or no on whether Scotland should be a country independent from the United Kingdom. I'll be campaigning for a yes vote in that referendum. I'll be arguing for a yes vote in that referendum and that the United Kingdom should be broken up. The reasons for arguing yes and campaigning yes are on an anti-imperialist basis, that the United Kingdom and Britain is an imperialist country who has played horrible roles in occupations of Iraq and Afghanistan and around the world and throughout its history, and the break-up of that imperialist warmongering state is something to be welcomed and campaigned for. Also, currently we have a Westminster government that is imposing austerity on ordinary working class people and attempting to make us pay the price for the crisis that the bankers created, and we are part of a movement to say no to that, for a different vision of Scotland, for a Scotland that is at peace with its neighbours, for a Scotland that prioritises social issues, that prioritises health, education and not nuclear weapons. Trident nuclear weapons in the United Kingdom are based in Scotland at Faslane, and that is a major issue at the heart of the independence debate. And already there's a coming together of left, radical, progressive forces to make sure that those voices for a different kind of Scotland are heard in the run-up to October 2014. We need to make sure those anti-capitalist, left and progressive voices are heard, because the mainstream parties, the leaders of the Scottish National Party, have already signalled what kind of Scotland they would have us live in. A Scotland that is committed to NATO, that is committed to the monarchy, that is committed to business as usual. And they've sent a message to Washington that capitalism is safe in the SNP and in Scottish hands. And we have campaigned alongside many others to say that Trident must be scrapped and that we must be out of NATO, and that the priorities should be health and welfare and social justice. So like yourselves, we are facing a potential situation where the world can change, where we can change our situation for the better and we can break up powerful imperialist states and ruling classes. But in order to do that, we need to build the forces from below for a different kind of vision of the world that we live in. So I send you solidarity greetings. I call for people to vote for CUP Anticapitalista Desqueres. I wish you the very best in your coming campaigns, and I assure you that the actions, the movements, the inspirations from Europe with the general strikes and the campaigns and the resistance and determination not to pay for the bankers' crisis is something that we have to take to heart, and that we would hope to put those lessons into practice in Scotland. So wishing you all the best, and thank you very much.